Well, just sitting here in our yard for a little bit. Looks like we're in quite a windstorm. I gotta pick up a load and head down to Sandy, Utah. And right now, down there, the I-15 is shut down to high-profile vehicles. So hopefully, once I pick up my load and can get going, that it'll have opened back up and we'll be good to go. We'll see. Well, they have opened up I-15 now. Wasn't too bad coming down here, but you got down here by Farmington and that area, and it's still quite windy and raining pretty good at the moment. I don't know how good that's going to show up on video, but it's a little sketchy here. Not too bad though. Well, it's decided it wants to snow right now, but it's pretty much coming down sideways. Still getting a pretty good east wind coming at me through Pleasant View here in Willard. So hopefully it don't last too long and just get back to Logan.